Hi, this is Steve with Indian Creek Sports, and I've got the new Vortex complete street legal e-cart. It's totally finished, ready to go on the road. It's got lights, blinkers, stop lights. It's got 14-inch tires. It's got a lift kit on it. It's got the ultra interior upholstery, custom steering wheel, backup monitor with a AM, FM, Bluetooth radio, fully electric. It's got lights down on the frame that are adjustable colors. The back is a full luggage rack with a removable cooler inside. Seat belts for 4 people. Cups on your armrests. Again, this is totally street legal. All you need is registration and a license plate. It's got a speaker for your sound system. Come down and see us at Indian Creek Sports. See our e-carts, our e-bikes, and we do have a full mechanic shop for all your boating needs. Come see us at Indian Creek Sports. Thank you.